Hey everyone, Matty Troy here. Today I'm at the Washington, Connecticut hiking trails. So far, I went over a suspension bridge, and then a regular bridge, and so far I'm enjoying this hike with my family. And as you can see, I have to go over this fallen tree, which could get either successful or failed. To okay, now I stepped over the fallen tree. So I'm going to enjoy the rest of this hike with my mom, my dad, and my sister. And to end this video, I'm gonna do a shot of the river. So don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.